In this video, I want to show you how to change the video size in Filmora. There are actually two different ways to do it, and I'll show you both. The first method is adjusting the size of the actual video clip inside your timeline. To do that, select your clip on the timeline and go over to the Video tab, then to Basic. Here, you'll see a scale slider. Make sure the little lock icon is active. This keeps the proportions linked. Now just drag the slider to scale your video up or down. It's that simple. If you want to bring it back to its original size, just click the Reset button. Now the second method is changing the entire frame size. That means the project's aspect ratio and resolution. To do that, go up to the File menu and select Project Settings. A window will pop up, and here you'll find options for aspect ratio and resolution. Let's say I want to change it to a 9:16 portrait format, perfect for Instagram or vertical phone videos. I'll select that from the drop-down, and the resolution will update automatically. Click OK, and now your video project is in vertical format. If your video doesn't fill the frame and leaves black bars, just go back to the clip, increase the scale to fit, and reposition it until it looks right. For example, I'll scale mine up slightly and position it to focus on this bird. You can also try other aspect ratios like 1:1 for square or return to 16:9 widescreen the same way. Just repeat the steps in Project Settings. And that's it. That's how you change video size in Filmora, either by scaling the clip or adjusting the entire project dimensions. Thanks for watching. If this helped, consider liking and subscribing for more Filmora tutorials.